superhero. Jack and I are gonna make superhero cuffs. Who's your favorite superhero?
Batman.
Batman? All right, so we've got our painting clothes on. We got an apron, got a little big t-shirt on Jack. Let's make some superhero cuffs. All right, so we're doing this outside to try to minimize the mess. To start with, you need either a paper towel roll or if you're doing it for a person, 2 toilet paper rolls. And then we're gonna paint them a color. We had purple paint, so we're gonna have purple superhero cuffs. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna paint this paper towel roll, and then I'm gonna cut it to make 2 cuffs for Jack. And since we have a dog and I have 1 toilet paper roll, I'm gonna make some dog-sized cuffs. So for Jack's paintbrush, I've got this little sponge to help him paint.
Again.
Yeah, so paint on this. There you go. We're gonna cover the whole thing. Okay, we've got our first coats done. And we're gonna let those dry for just a second. And we're probably gonna do a second coat. We've got both of our rolls here painted. We're gonna let these dry in the sunshine before we come back to cut them and decorate them. While we wait on our rolls to dry, we are going to trace some stars to glue on them. I have a star cookie cutter and we're gonna trace out some stars. Jack, do you wanna trace?
This is how I cut those.
Oh, you're gonna be the cutter? You don't wanna trace? Okay, we have our 4 stars cut out for our cuffs. Jack is still working on cutting some more. He just recently learned how to use scissors, so he likes to use it. Our paper rolls have dried. So now we're gonna cut them lengthwise and then in half. We have the roll cut lengthwise.
I'm gonna cut this one.
All right, you cut that one. Okay, good job. Now we're gonna cut it across to make 2 cuffs. All right, and I did a pretty good job eyeballing that to have 2 even cuffs. Now let's do our puppy dog's cuff. Trying to trim the cuffs for him right now. This is basically how every day goes while I'm busy doing something. Okay, now we have our cuffs just about done. I'm going to kind of cut right here to kind of round the edges to make it look even more like a superhero cuff.
Oh, you're funny. You're weird.
Jack, you know what the next step is?
What?
Decorate. We're gonna put our stars and some sparkly tape I found. You ready to decorate? Okay. So I found this sparkly tape I had in my little craft bin. So I was thinking we could line our cuffs with this and then glue stars on top.
Are these scissors or to cut hair?
No, they are not to cut hair. Okay, so now we're gonna glue stars to our cuffs. You ready to do that? Stick it to your cuff. Yeah, press it down. Awesome, bud. You try your cuffs on? Oh my goodness. All right, stand up. Let me see you in full superhero. Superhero.
Superhero zing on you, Archie.
What's your superhero name?
Batman.
Batman?
And Batman has a mask.
Batman has a mask. And what's Archie's superhero name?
A brave knight.
A brave knight, that's his superhero name?